Well, guys, back out on the drop line here. Been a few days since we've been out here, so we actually can bring the pickup in probably another 5 or 6 kilometers than before, and they've opened up a nice parking spot for us here, so that was pretty nice, the forestry company. So anyways, we're gonna get in here today and check some wolf baits and a couple of cubbies that we got, and see how things are looking. Not too sure how much longer I'm gonna keep these wolf baits out here. It's quite a drive to get out here for the few baits that we got out. So anyways, keep going for now though, and see how she looks today. It's above zero. We saw about +4 coming out. I think it's about +2 right now, and raining, so it's kind of gross. Pieces of the road were glare ice, so had to take her easy. It's gonna be a little bit of a longer day just because of the drive in and out, but we're gonna get in here and see if we got anything. Okay, let's get at her. Little Martin in there at our cubby. But probably eating out the bait in there, so let's see what we got in here. Well, okay, well, that's cool that we just saw that little martin in there, but we do have a catch in here. So unfortunately, if you're watching this on YouTube, that's the end of our trip for today, because I've kind of made a bit of a decision here that I'm still going to utilize YouTube, build a bit of a trailer for my trapping videos, and then their full-length videos are going to be over on Rumble. So I have a few days left to do my appeal for my demonetization, which I'm not real hopeful for a positive outcome there. So after that decision's made, I'll probably end up going back, editing down my trapping videos to appease their censorship, so that I can continue to post some of my other videos. Because, you know, when we made the decision to open up our lives here to the world of YouTube, it was about our complete lifestyle, our outdoor lifestyle, which is quite a bit more than just hunting and trapping. So, you know, I want to be able to post my flying pictures and our jet boat adventures and all that sort of stuff on here, and, you know, maybe get a couple bucks from YouTube, enough to have a couple of tanks of fuel once in a while or something. So anyways, if you're on Rumble here, we're gonna keep on our daily adventures, and if you're watching on YouTube, well, head on over and find Gap Tracks on Rumble. So okay guys, let's get at her.